This video will demonstrate how to install the OneDrive Client for desktop access to your OneDrive cloud storage. The first thing you should do is check to see if you are already connected to OneDrive. So simply open your File Explorer and look in the left column for OneDrive-CSCU. Here I see indication that there's OneDrive available, but that is not the OneDrive location we are looking for. It should say OneDrive-CSCU, which indicates you are connected to the proper cloud storage location. So since I'm not connected here, I'm going to run through the setup, which will allow me to find my OneDrive files. Let's close this window. And next I'm going to run the OneDrive Setup Assistant by double-clicking the OneDrive icon on your desktop. When you double-click, that'll open your OneDrive Setup Assistant, but sometimes a double-click does not cause the assistant to open. So in that case, you have another option. Right-click on the icon, choose Open File Location, then double-click the Update folder, and look for a file called OneDrive Setup. Double-click that file, and that should launch your assistant. Okay, now that I've launched the OneDrive Setup Assistant, simply follow the on-screen prompts. The first thing you will do is enter your email address. And click Sign In. On the next window, be sure to notice that it's asking for your NetID and password. So in this case, it's not your email address. So replace your email address with your NetID. And then your NetID password. And click Sign In. Be sure that this remains checked. Allow my organization to manage my device. And click Yes. And you should get a message that you are all set. Click Done. And it will finish the sign in and setup process. And you'll get a message that you now have access to your OneDrive folder. Again, click Next. Now be careful here at this prompt. You'll get a message that files already exist in this folder. And the default option here is to choose a new location. Do not click that button. Instead, be sure to click the button labeled Use this location. That ensures you are using the managed location for your OneDrive files. Click on Use this location and it will finish your OneDrive setup and welcome you to OneDrive. You can click through these little screen hints on how OneDrive works, or you can simply close the window. So let's now check our File Explorer, and we'll see now that we are in fact connected to OneDrive-CSCU. So if I click here, I will start to see my OneDrive folders and files start to synchronize with my cloud storage. So that's how you connect to your OneDrive account and set it up for desktop access.